Are you still using OpenClaw? Throw that in the dustbin and take a look at this instead. This is the Hermes AI agent running on my phone, and trust me, this is far better than OpenClaw. And if you're thinking you need a high-spec phone to run this, just take a look. It's running absolutely buttery smooth on my 8-year-old phone. So you can install and deploy this on just about any phone you have. You don't need to buy a GPU or spend money on any cloud VPS, and you can also operate this directly from Telegram, so you can assign any task to it from anywhere. For example, I asked it to identify content gaps on my YouTube channel, and look at this. It went online, searched for my channel, analyzed it completely, identified the content gaps, and summarized them clearly. You can assign any task to this agent. You can have it set reminders, and it can even set up cron jobs for you. And since it's a full AI agent, you don't need to write any code. It can create things for you from scratch. For example, I asked it to build a demo website for cloud gaming. And look, it created a clean demo cloud gaming website called Nebula Cloud. Now, this isn't exactly a polished website out of the box, but if you give it a detailed prompt, you can customize it however you want and get some truly impressive results. And while other AI agents just reply to your messages, with this one you can actually have a full voice conversation. Just listen to what she's saying.
Hello. I am Hermes, your versatile AI agent. I can help you build software, research complex topics, manage your schedule, and automate tasks across your local system and messaging platforms. From writing code and designing websites to managing your GitHub repos or setting up daily reminders, I handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on the big picture. I'm essentially your technical co-pilot, always ready to execute.
And what's even better is that this is a self-evolving AI agent that keeps improving over time. So, let's dive into the installation. To get this running, you'll need two things: the Termux app and the This repository. Both links are provided in the description, so go ahead and download Termux first. Once Termux is installed, open it up. Now, type in this command, pkg install Ollama Git, and run it. This will download Ollama and Git, which are both required to get Hermes running on your phone. Once that's done, head over to the repository and copy the Hermes installation command. Paste it into Termux and run it. This command will automatically update your packages and install the Hermes AI agent on your phone. It may take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, so just let it finish. Once it's installed successfully, it's time to set up the Hermes agent. So type Hermes setup and hit enter. It will ask you for a quick setup. Just press enter to continue. Next, it will ask you to choose an AI provider. You can pick from options like OpenAI or Gemini. But for this video, I'm going with Ollama, so I'll select that. Then it will ask for an API key. Just type Ollama and hit enter because Ollama doesn't require an API key. After that, it will ask for the Ollama base URL. I'll provide that in the description, so just paste it in and press enter. Now, select the Ollama model you want to use. I'm going with Gemma 4 Cloud, so let's get that installed first. Open a new session inside Termux. In this new session, type Ollama serve and run it. This will start the Ollama server on your phone, which is required for everything to work. Once that's running, open another new Termux session. Now, paste in the Ollama model run command. You'll find it in the repository. Copy it and run it. After running it, you'll be given a URL to log into Ollama. Copy that URL, paste it into Chrome, and sign in with your Google account. Once that's done, run the Ollama model command one more time. This time, your Ollama model will start running just like mine. Now switch back to the Termux session where we were setting up the Hermes agent. At this point, you'll need to select a custom model name, type 37 and press enter. It will then ask you to enter the model name. Type in the exact same model name that you installed and ran using Ollama. Make sure it's identical and press enter. Your model setup is now complete. Next, we need to set up the messaging app. Press enter to proceed to that step. Here, select Telegram. It's the recommended option. Use the spacebar to select it, then press enter. After that, press Y to continue. Now it will ask for your Telegram bot token. To get that, open Telegram and search for BotFather. Send this message to BotFather/newbot. Give your bot any name you like. Then, give it a unique username that ends with the word bot, something like Hermes bot. BotFather will then provide you with your bot token. Copy it and come back to Termux. Paste your token here and press enter. It won't show up on screen for security reasons, so don't worry. It's still being entered. Now it will ask for your Telegram user ID. Go back to Telegram and search for @userinfobot. Open the green channel. It will display your user ID. Copy it, but don't share it with anyone. Then head back to Termux. Paste your ID here and press enter. Everything is now configured. From here, just keep pressing Y whenever it asks you to continue. When it asks you to launch the Hermes agent, go ahead and press Y. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds and your Hermes agent will be fully set up on your phone and ready to take on any task you throw at it. Now, at this point, the agent is running inside Termux, but you won't be able to use it through Telegram just yet. For that, we need to start the gateway first. So open a new Termux session, type Hermes Gateway and run it. This will start the gateway, which means your agent is now fully deployed and connected. From this point on, you can use it directly inside Telegram. Wherever you go, your agent goes with you. Assign it tasks, ask it anything, and it will always be there working for you. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you managed to get Hermes set up successfully on your phone. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed for more in-depth agentic AI videos like this one. And if you run into any errors during installation, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. I'll catch you in the next one.